welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of heavy, bulky vacuums that are a pain to push around, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're showcasing the best lightweight vacuums of 2026, featuring our top 4 picks and in-depth reviews. We've tested them for suction power, maneuverability, ease of use, and overall value, so whether you have stairs, pets, or just want effortless cleaning, you'll find the perfect option here. On number 1 is the Kenmore DS1030 cordless stick vacuum is a lightweight 2-in-1 cleaner designed for everyday home use on hardwood floors, low-pile carpet, and pet hair, combining stick and handheld modes for versatile cleaning. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement without the hassle of plugging and unplugging, while the 2-speed power suction helps adjust performance between routine dust pickup and tougher debris. The LED headlight on the floor nozzle illuminates hidden dust under furniture and in corners, making it easier to spot and remove dirt. In real-life use, it's easy to maneuver around furniture and stairs, and the detachable handheld unit is convenient for cleaning upholstery, car interiors, and tight spots. Pros: cordless convenience, lightweight and easy to handle, 2-speed suction, LED headlight for enhanced visibility, and effective on pet hair. Cons: runtime is limited by battery capacity, typical for cordless designs. Suction is strongest on hard floors but more modest on thick carpets, and dustbin capacity is relatively small. Compared with heavier corded vacuums, it sacrifices some deep cleaning power but gains portability and ease of use. Overall, it offers good value for small to medium homes and pet owners needing quick daily cleanups, and I'd recommend it for users who want a versatile, easy-to-use cordless vacuum rather than a high-power upright for deep carpet cleaning. On number 2 is the Eureka Power Speed lightweight upright vacuum cleaner is a budget-friendly, versatile cleaner built for everyday use on both carpet and hard floors, offering a good balance of power, ease of use, and value. Its Power Speed suction system delivers strong airflow that picks up dust, crumbs, and pet hair across multiple surfaces, while the wide nozzle and adjustable height settings help it adapt from smooth floors to low to medium pile carpets. The vacuum's lightweight design and large wheels make it easy to push and steer around furniture, and the bagless dirt cup is simple to empty without extra bags. In real-life use, it performs reliably for routine cleanups, though it's less powerful than premium uprights when tackling very thick carpets or deep embedded debris. Pros: strong suction for the price, lightweight and easy to maneuver, effective on mixed surfaces, large dirt cup, and simple maintenance. Cons: not ideal for heavy-duty deep carpet cleaning, slightly noisy at high speeds, and fewer advanced features than higher-end models. Compared with compact stick vacuums, it offers more consistent power and a larger capacity, but it's bulkier to store. Overall, it provides excellent value for everyday home cleaning and is a great choice for small to medium homes with varied flooring, and I'd recommend it if you want a powerful yet affordable upright vacuum without unnecessary complexity. On number 3 is the Shark HV322 Rocket Pet Plus corded stick vacuum is a lightweight, versatile stick vacuum designed for everyday cleaning with a special focus on pet hair pickup and ease of use. Its corded power ensures consistent suction without worrying about battery life, and the LED headlights on the floorhead help illuminate hidden dust and debris under furniture and in dark corners. The XL dust cup holds a generous amount of dirt, reducing how often you need to empty it, and the unit converts easily to a handheld vacuum for stairs, upholstery, and car interiors. It also comes with 2 pet-focused attachments that enhance its ability to remove stubborn pet hair from couches, stairs, and fabric surfaces. Pros: strong corded suction, excellent pet hair pickup, LED headlights for better visibility, lightweight and easy to maneuver, XL dust cup, and convertible handheld mode. Cons: cord limits range compared to cordless models, can be slightly bulky when used in stick mode for tight spaces, and lacks a motorized brush roll on some surfaces. In real-life use, it performs very well on hard floors and low-pile carpets, especially for pet owners who struggle with hair on surfaces and stairs. Compared with many basic stick vacuums, it offers superior pet hair performance and better dust capacity. Overall, it's a great value for households with pets or mixed flooring, and I'd recommend it to users who want reliable, powerful cleaning without the hassle of frequent emptying or battery recharge. On number 4 is the VacMaster Portable 10.8V 2-in-1 Cordless Stick Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner, Blue, is a versatile, cordless cleaner designed for everyday use on hardwood floors, low-pile carpet, and pet hair, offering both stick and detachable handheld modes for flexible cleaning. Its 2-speed power control lets you switch between normal and stronger suction, helping tackle light dust as well as more stubborn debris. The LED headlight on the floor head improves visibility under furniture and in dim corners, making it easier to spot and remove hidden dirt. In real-life use it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for quick cleanups around the house, stairs, and car interiors, though its suction is more modest compared to larger corded vacuums. Pros: cordless convenience, lightweight and easy handling, 2-speed control, LED headlight, and 2-in-1 stick/handheld flexibility. Cons: limited runtime due to battery capacity, less powerful suction on thick carpets and heavy pet hair, and smaller dust cup requiring frequent emptying. Compared with bulky traditional uprights, it offers better portability but sacrifices some raw power. Overall, it provides good value for small to medium homes and quick daily cleanups, and I'd recommend it for users who want a cordless, easy-to-use vacuum for everyday messes rather than deep, heavy-duty cleaning.